How to change user ID on TurboTax. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your user ID on TurboTax. First of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in turbotax.intuit.com or simply type in turbotax.com. Now press on enter button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of TurboTax. Here ensure that you are logged into your account. If not, use your credentials in order to sign in or log into your account. Once after logging into your account, you will land on this home page. Now here in the space at the left bottom below, you will be able to locate Intuit account option. Simply click on it and then you will be taken to your account manager page. Here you will need to look for the option sign in and security, or you may also click on this profile option. Once you click on it, here you will be able to see your sign in or login info. From here now you will need to click on this user ID option right here and then now enter a new user ID that you'd like to change to. Once after entering your new user ID, enter the same user ID in the second text box in order to confirm. And after that, simply click on the save button right here. Now you will need to wait for a few seconds and after that you will see you have successfully updated or changed your user ID on TurboTax. So by following these steps, you should be able to change your user ID in TurboTax account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.